Peter Hewitt, BMO Global Asset Management. Are you ready to play the Edison bull or bear game?
I am ready, Elliot.
Excellent, excellent. Gold price.
Bull.
Bitcoin.
Bear.
Open-ended property funds.
Very bearish.
Scottish Mortgage Investment Trust.
Bull.
US unemployment.
Bear.
FANG stocks.
Bullish.
Mark Barnett.
Sadly bearish.
Allianz and Polar Technology Trusts.
Bullish.
UK consumer spending.
Eventually bullish.
Gervais Williams.
I'm a bull of Gervais.
Sterling.
Bearish.
Emerging markets.
Bullish.
Scottish rugby team.
By far the hardest. The heart says bullish. The head and experience, long experience, tells me not to be quite so bullish.
Okay, brilliant. Well, Peter, thank you very much for playing. And just picking up on one of your answers, you mentioned that you were bearish on sterling. Do you mind me asking for a bit more of your thoughts on that?
Well, it's just, I think there are certain long-term trends that are not going to change. That doesn't mean to say in any one quarter or even year, sterling could not appreciate. But, so there's going to be a lot of debt have to be sold. There's Brexit out there as well.
Yeah.
It's kind of, I would say, if I said not massively bearish, but you asked either bull or bear,
Sure.
I don't see sterling declining 30% from here. But similarly, if it was to, if you got much more than 130 to the dollar or something, you'd be beginning to feel that's enough just now. It wouldn't surprise me. Just like sterling actually has been relatively stable against the euro, believe it or not, in the last few years, as if we were in a sort of trading range. But for choice, I would be bearish.
Okay, well, thanks for elaborating on that. And to our listeners, I suppose if you would like to hear more thoughts from Peter on the economy, equity markets, and the funds that he manages, please do listen to an interview I conducted with Peter earlier this week. We will link the description in the commentary to this video below. So that just leaves me to say thank you for playing the Edison bull or bear game, Peter.
Thank you, Elliot.